Over here we've got our strawberry crowns. So I'm going to dig up a bunch right here. These guys. Right there. And we'll take them down here to the end of my strawberry bed. We'll pull the rubber band off and start separating crowns. You know, separate them semi-gently. Doesn't have to be too gentle. $24. Supposed to be a group of 25, but I got 24. We'll live with it. So, all right. So, you got your roots down here. The hard part right here is the crown. Now, you want the crown right here, the crown. You want that above the level of the soil. So, dig yourself a little hole. Doesn't have to be extensive. Take your crown and hold it at the soil level while you fill in around it. All right, we're going to put another one here. Just going to open up a hole there. Get my crown. Set it in. And I'm going to fill in around it. All right. This is a little crown, not very big. Get the roots in here. Hold the crown at soil level and fill in around it. Make my hole, get my crown, stuff the roots, hold the crown at soil level, fill in around it. And I've got last one right here. So let's get this. Get the roots down in there and start packing it in. All right. That was about 50 strawberry plants. I'm going to kind of straighten up my irrigation here a little bit. Thing's got a little cattywampus. Okay, we can live with that. I'm going to go turn the water on. All right. Okie dokie. We have water flowing. It is dripping. And I'm going to give this thing about an hour. All right, folks. Thanks for watching.